Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. I'll ask in the Marathi some question and you have to transfer that in English. Okay. As well as I'll ask in English, then you have to transfer in the Marathi. Okay. त्याने पैसे कमवायला पाहिजे.
He should earn money.
त्याने कोणासाठी पैसे कमवायला पाहिजे.
For whom should earn money?
Okay.
For whom should he earn money?
मी मुंबईला जायला पाहिजे.
I should go to.
ओके. तो विहिरीत मरायचा.
He used to
dive in well. ओके. तो मेंढरा मागे फिरायचा.
He
used to
wander to
behind
sheep.
मेंढर समोर पळायचे आणि तो मेंढराच्या पाठीमागे पळायचा.
He used to run
front of him and he used to run behind. Okay. तो पाणी पित होता.
He was drinking water.
तो कशासाठी पाणी पित होता.
For what was he drinking water?
त्याने पाणी प्यायला पाहिजे.
He should drink water.
त्याने दारू प्यायला नाही पाहिजे.
He should not drink wine.
ओके. कुत्रा रोडवर धावत होता.
Dog was running on road.
ओके. कुत्रा का रोडवर धावत होता.
Why was dog running on road?
मी अभ्यास करत आहे.
I am doing study.
मी दररोज अभ्यास करत आहे.
I am doing study daily.
ओके. मी दररोज माझ्या मित्राला प्रश्न विचारायला पाहिजे.
I should ask questions to my friends.
ओके. तो त्याने भांग पाडायला पाहिजे.
He should
क्लाइम.
come.
नॉट अ क्लाइम. देयर इज द. ओके. त्याने पर्वतावर चढायला पाहिजे.
He should climb on mountain.
ओके. डिड यू ब्रश योर टीथ टुडे. Which toothpaste did you use? Why did you use the Colgate? Why? Tell me that. Why did you use the Colgate? It's tasty. That's why you use that, or the something different reason. Tasty. That's why you use. Wow, very nice. Did you take a bath?
Yes.
Okay. How many liter did you take a bath for the taking bath? One bucket. But how many liter in that bucket the water? You don't know that? Why don't you? Is that you are wasting the water? You should be the think about that. I will take the 10 liter every day water because it's a calculated water. Because you know that the water is decreases nowadays in summer vacations. That's why you should be use the water carefully. Will you become a doctor?
No.
So what do you become? Which business will you start? You don't know that business name. Which business? This is I don't know business. I don't know business. Did you hear that? आपने कभी सुना है? New business. But which business? Will you collect that hair of that sheep? Hair of sheep, because your friend will start that business, sheep business, and you will collect that sheep hair. No? Okay. Yeah, he'll take the 50 as a 50% there.
Yes.
As a partner, you'll do the work with him, and you'll say to him, "I will give the job to you also." Okay. Best of luck to you. I'll see.